lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you.
Hello, my name's Lauren and this is Ben. Say hello, Ben.
No.
And this is our review of the Educo My First Toolbox for Izziwizzi Kids. As you can see, it's a nice small toolbox and it comes with 2 bits, a screwdriver, a hammer and a spanner, 2 screws and 2 bolts, and lastly 2 nails. Now there's holes all the way around the outside of the toolbox so that you can screw the screws in, screw the bits to the box, nail the nails in using the hammer. It's light enough, it's only 700 grams, so a little toddler can carry it at ease with no worries at all. It's made from maple and rubber wood with natural colours, and the packaging is even made from recycled paper and printed with soy ink, so it really is a natural toy and perfectly safe for children to play with. The paint is non-toxic and the glue is formaldehyde free. The only thing that we have noticed, I don't know if you can see just there, if he hammers on the wood it does tend to sort of dent a little bit, but it's not something that's going to break it at all, it's just going to make it look a little bit played with. See, Ben's just hammering a piece onto the side of the box using a nail.
Mommy.
Oh.
Mommy.
The screws. You going to screw it on now?
No, yet.
Not yet, okay.
One, 2.
It's a really good toy for fine motor skills and imagination. Ben's just learnt how to unscrew bottles and things like that, so the screws and the bolts are really good for his hands. And he loves like copying people when they do DIY and stuff, so now he's got his own toolbox to take along with him.
Oh, sheesh.
Do you want Mummy to do it?
Yeah.
The nails are quite difficult to get out. I have had to get them out for him, but it's something that he's probably going to learn quite quickly.
Got this one.
That one? You want to put it there instead?
Yeah.
Get your hammer then.
Yeah.
Use your hammer.
No.
Okay.
Rush.
Where's your spanner, Ben?
There is.
What's there?
There
That's a nail.
nail.
It's a brilliant toy. Even with him bashing it, it hasn't chipped any of the paint, so it's going to last him quite a long time. Even with him bashing it around. Right, so that's our review. We hope that you like it. You can say goodbye, Ben.
Bye.